Once again, one of my favorite things about our 36-inch columns is the massive storage capacity. Yes, food preservation is always your #1 concern when you're talking about refrigeration, but not only do we deliver massive capacity, we do it with a great touch and feel. So I challenge you to touch and experience all of our soft rounded corners, all of our finished edges, and then try that on any other brand of refrigerator, because you're not going to find that same fit and finish in any other brand. All of our drawers are soft close, but look at how much space you have inside this freezer. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 full sheet catering trays. And that food preservation, again, is built on our legacy of commercial refrigeration. All that same engineering that went into our commercial units has gone into our luxury residential line, so you can store your food and you can preserve your food with the luxury fit and finish that is found on the outside and the inside of every true residential model. If you want to experience this in person, please join us at any of Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center's beautiful showroom locations in Calabasas, Studio City, Costa Mesa South Coast Plaza, and in Torrance, California. Thank you so much.